Hey everybody, you are on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Roku Express without remote. Let's go. Connect the Roku Express to the power supply and to the TV via HDMI. Wait. If you are not logged in, you will need to select the language, time, Wi-Fi and login to your Roku account. After that, you will be able to use Roku Express. What should I do if I don't have a remote control? If your Roku Express is connected to Wi-Fi, connect your phone to the same network and use Roku Virtual Remote, or use the remote control from the main TV. You will need to turn on the HDMI CEC on the main TV. That's it. Now you know how to connect Roku Express without remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.